think the shortest one was 36 inches. So I'm going to go with 36 by just under 2 feet. So I think it's like 1.8 is what it, if you have a 3 foot long, you want 1.8 wide. So that's 23 inches to that one. So I think I'm going to take one more board off and give it, because that'd be 12 and 9. You'd want it like 22 inches, I think. 8, 9, 21 to 22 inches, yeah. So if I take off one more board, we're right at that ratio. So I'm going to get rid of those 3. And I'm going to work with these. This guy, I may need to swap them out. So now I'm just going to swap them around to get the straightest ones I can. And then I'm going to get it glued together. Okay, now I just want to get all the nails either removed or pounded down in. I want to leave the holes and some nails in it just for the looks, but I want to remove them all because this will be the top. And so if I get them all now nailed down in smooth and everything else, then I can flip this over and that'll be my flat area, because underneath the table, if it's uneven, it doesn't matter, but we want to be able to get it flat on the top so it minimizes how much grinding we have to do. Okay, since I don't care if they stay in, I found an easier method. I was struggling with a couple, and just like with the pallet breaker, you know, this is hard wood, so, and twisted nails, so it just makes for a kind of a pain to tear apart. So let's do this the easy way, and then we'll get all the nails off. These will be held in place by a frame also, so I'm not too concerned about how much glue I'm going to have on here, because it will be, like I said, there's going to be a frame on it. I had better clamps, but gaps will be fine for this. Alright, I'm just going to tighten that up. I might even put it in the shop press. That works. I was able to press it down a little further and then readjust these. It actually gave them probably another ½ an inch or so gap. Okay, so I decided to just go ahead and cut all this off. I made it 36 inches, so just measured 36 on each side, drew a line, and then I used the circular saw to get the first about halfway down depth, and then I'm just going to finish it off with the recip saw. hard. I ended up having to clamp with this, the gaps down here to get it closed enough, and then bang it down. Add to the character. Flat, flat, flat. All right, there we go. Good? Yeah. We find a way. Check back next Wednesday and I should have the table completely finished. I just have legs, paint, and the clear coat top, that epoxy stuff. I don't even know what it is, but you pour it on top of puzzles and tables and all kinds of stuff. As always, get outside, do something. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.